Don't have enough money to show proof of funds for express entry of Canada? In this video, I'm going to tell you two workarounds for that. Also, get to know the format of the bank letter, which is a must for proof of funds. All of this coming up. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Canada or Australia without paying hefty fee to the consultants, I've got tons of videos coming soon for you. Please subscribe. Before I start this video, let me tell you that if you want to know the details about proof of funds, you can watch this video in my channel that I posted a few days ago. I'll provide the link to this video in the description box. Okay, many people between the age of 25 to 35 might not have the necessary money to show proof of funds. If you are one of those, what should you do? The first workaround can be gift deed. You can get a gift deed signed by relatives, friends, or most probably parents. The second option can be loan. You can get a bank loan and keep it in your account for more than 6 months, just before visa submission. However, this way is not recommended. Let's discuss both of these workarounds in detail. First one, gift deed. If you don't have the required money, but your family or friends have it, then you can get the money transferred to your account and get a gift deed signed by them. Mind it, this isn't borrowing, this is a gift from them. Gift deed is a document which proves that the gift is being made without any conditions or in exchange for compensation. You should get the details written on a letter, then an affidavit, and mention the same in the letter of explanation as well. Let's check out the format for all of these documents one by one. Let's suppose that you are from India and your father has gifted you that amount. So this should be the format of the gift deed. It should mention your father's name, his details, his account number, his bank details, the check details as well. And it should mention that he has gifted this amount out of only love and affection and there is no other consideration. It should also mention that the gift is irrevocable and that he has no claim left whatsoever on that gifted amount, so that you can use that amount according to your own will. Now this was gift deed. Let's discuss the format of the affidavit. So this is the format of affidavit. It's very much similar to the gift deed, but here it's just a bit different. You can use it on the stamp paper of rupees 100, rupees 50 or rupees 20, it does not matter. I've mentioned the PAN card number here of your father, so it's important to gain the confidence of the investigating officer. So as many details as you provide, it will help in that. So this was the affidavit. Let's just see the letter of explanation. So the letter of explanation will be a letter from your side addressing it to the CIC. Okay, so you should mention the details, all the necessary details over here. Now I've mentioned your bank details, your bank address, your account number, IFSC code, all of these details here, and also that your father has gifted you all of these letters and that you are attaching all of the scanned copy of all of these letters. So what all things should you attach here? Those should be the 6 months of your bank statement, the gift deed, affidavit, the check, your father's ID, most probably the PAN card number, because the scan of the PAN card, because we have already mentioned over there, with the bank letter for proof of funds. So we'll discuss the format for the bank letter just a little while from now in the same video. Okay, now let's talk about the second option, bank loan. Let me tell you that this is not ethical and not recommended, but many people ask me about it, so I wanted to talk about it as well. Also, a couple of people I know used this method and got the PR, but still I would not recommend it. The process could be get loan from a bank and keep it in your account for more than 6 months, just before visa submission and until you get the confirmation of permanent residency. You should have that much money in your account when you land in Canada as well. The sudden inflow of money should not be visible in the bank statement and should look like running balance, and loan should not be mentioned in the bank letter. If the investigating officer gets suspicious, you might land into trouble, so you have to be a bit cautious. Now, they ask for proof of funds to ensure that you can live in Canada for first 6 months, even in the worst case of being unemployed. So you also have to ensure that. So you should have that money until then. Now, let's talk about the format of bank letter for proof of funds. As described in my previous video, the letters must be printed on the financial institution's letterhead, that is your bank. It should include their contact information, your name. It should include any debt such as credit card and loans. It should include the bank account numbers, the date on which it was opened, the current balance, and the average balance for the past 6 months. Now let me show you two examples of it. I arranged these two letters from two of my friends and promised not to disclose their personal details, so all those details are hidden here. You can see all the points I just told you have been covered. Bank officials are aware of these letters and formats, so on request you can provide such a letter within a couple of hours. Here's another example of a letter issued by the State Bank of India. This is just another format and they have ensured that all the points are covered. So you just go to the bank, you just request them that I need such a letter for a Canadian immigration purpose, and they'll provide you all that letter within a couple of hours. Okay, so this was it. I hope this information in this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.